Alright guys, we are back at it here again. We still have no comms. I destroyed the ignition switch accidentally. As you can see, what's left of it is right there. We got the new one in, but since I'm messing with the harness, I got this guy unplugged so I don't make another freaking Goomba move. So, this connector here was in question. Had no idea where it went because you really can't see any other open connectors. So, let's get in there, guys. I stuck my head all the way in here. Giggity. So I'm looking around. Let's see if you guys see it. Where's Waldo? Where's the black connector, guys? There's a black connector here somewhere that I didn't see this whole freaking time. It's in the blue hole right there. I can't pull it out any further, so that's, I guess, why this is so long. It actually goes in. Now, Maro, I have no power window operation. And that's going to the door. So, is this one connector stopping communications everywhere? I don't know, man. I hope this is it, because I'm out of options, really. I fixed, or I attempted to repair and cover, or at least cover the wires that have been tapped into. I had to repair one on the passenger side that went right into the driver, into the, engine ECU. So this is the only other thing that I found. Guys, pray with me, please, man. I need, I don't care what religion you are. Please pray for me. Contact. Two of the wires that went to the engine ECU, they were tapped into. One, I just put a wire to. I was able to reconnect it. This guy here, all I did was snip out what they put in there. But since we've gone this far, might as well go a little further. I went as far as repairing the wires officially. And yeah, my life. We're gonna see if that works. So we're gonna plug everything back up, and hopefully I have communications again. Found out where these wires go. We go to the aftermarket radio. So we pulled all this out just to inspect back there to make sure one of these wires that's still attached to something is not a communication line, and it's not. So I don't know, guys. If I don't find any broken wires anymore, or spots of interest, I should at least say, and all my wiring's good and I have full continuity, and everything is plugged in this time. I mean, everything. My windows work now. Freaking found that hidden connector. I don't know what else it could be. Unless I have a dead module that's killing the CAN bus somehow. Or the CAN bus shorted out somehow, because in the DLC connector, the two wires that were tapped into were the CAN bus communication wires, and they did something like this where they tapped into both wires at the same spot, and there was bare metal. So I don't know if they shorted it out. I was getting a voltage reading, but if it's short out, it could have took out a module, could have took out an ECU, or... yeah, man. Let's see if this worked. It probably won't. Alright guys, here's the thing. If I didn't document my misery, nobody would believe me. So, we're back here again. Stuff's removed. Again. Whatever wire I saw them touch, or whatever wire I found them, or somebody, whoever, freaking, I don't know, man. So whatever wire I saw them tap into, I straight out and flat out repaired. We got two here. We got one back here. We have, where's the DLC connector? We had 2 on that thing. Where is it? It's here somewhere. Where the hell is it? Okay. Where'd it go? That's not it. That's not it. It's here. It's right in front of my face. Yeah, see, it's right in front of my freaking face. We had 2 wires here that we repaired. We repaired a number of wires. Yeah, let's go to the passenger side. Alright, we're at the passenger side. We repaired 2 wires right here. And we know for a fact this goes to the radio, and it's an aftermarket radio. We took that out just to double check there. And I gotta plug that back in, and we gotta plug everything back in over there, and hope it starts. I don't think it's gonna start. My whole entire CAN bus communication is down, and I don't think I'm gonna get it back anytime soon. I'm thinking 2 of the wires that were bare may have touched and killed a module of some sort, which is taking everything out. But you know what? I could be 120% wrong, because after every step I've taken, yeah, I got a little further, but I'm still that much far away. Well, alright guys, guess freaking what? After everything is all said and done, well, we're not done, we're nowhere near being done. We got communication. We got our CAN bus system back online. And what we had to do was, we bring up the whole CAN bus system diagram. We got our engine ECU, our combination meter, skid control, DLC, center airbag, all rate steering angle. So we started going down and plugging things. Still had no communication and everything. So we get to the skid control ECU. I just want to show you. We have communication. Engine ECU, combination, cruise. These 2 guys right here, we had no communications with. And that's current, that's live right now. What we had to do, or what we find? Well, we got the skid control ECU unfreaking plugged. And guess what happened when we unplugged that? We gained communications all over again. So, I'm going to speculate here. I'm going to Columbo this right now. What I think that happened, because we found some Goomba wires in the interior, especially on that DLC connector. We found some ugly wires there. I believe when everything was plugged in and we connected the battery, one of those wires was either touching or something went wrong in the CAN bus, and it shorted this guy out, and it took everything out. It took this whole system completely out. Can't believe it did that. We had no communication whatsoever because of this guy right here. Now, we did go through the diagnostic procedures of this guy here by doing pin tests through here, by doing resistance checks through here, and everything checks out on this side of the vehicle. So, I guess this guy failed, and damn near freaking broke me, man. This freaking car, man. I had to go through so many things, man. The harness on this side, the harness on that side, even going as far as repairing all the Gugats wiring I found. And this is what freaking takes me out here. This. Alright, guys. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Please, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.